Hi folks, I'm Gary.
And I'm Tony, and we are from Renew Kitchens.
We're here at our Wall of Fame here to talk about what we have to offer. Renew Kitchen Refacing. Our 7-step process is what makes the difference. We will save you thousands on your kitchen and add thousands of dollars in value to your home. When we're done, you'll have a solid wood kitchen, not a laminate.
No laminate.
We are so confident in our pricing that we will offer to anyone a 15% discount on any competitor's professional quote.
And now, through August 1st, we are offering an unprecedented $2,500 discount on any refacing and countertop package.
Also available, soft close hinges, crown moldings for the top of your cabinets, backsplashes, custom islands, any type of custom work. We also do all new cabinetry, and obviously we do refinishing of all of your own cabinets.
And no laminate.
No laminate. Call now for your free estimate at 774-300-9112.